Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about fifth class social science. In this, we will start our first chapter, that is globes and maps. So, in this lecture, we will discuss about globe, maps, and the atlas and the direction. So, we will further discuss about that we will left in this lesson. Now the next is the signs or symbols. So what is the sign and symbols in this map? The space available on the map is limited. All the features of the land cannot be shown in their actual shapes in the limited space available on the map. Therefore, map maker or cartographer use some standard symbols which are used everywhere. Now, see, जो हमारा मैप होता है उस पर सारी चीजें अवेलेबल करवाना पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता है, तो जो हमारा कार्टोग्राफर मैप मेकर्स दैट विल मेक्स द मैप विल यूज सम स्टैंडर्ड सिंबल्स. ठीक है, कुछ स्टैंडर्ड सिंबल्स को यूज करता है कुछ चीजों को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, उन्हीं को हम साइंस एंड सिंबल्स बोलते हैं. So, the different symbols are drawn to show rivers, cities, railways, roadways, lakes, boundaries, etc. Understanding these symbols is essential for map reading. The most of the map have a key to tell what is the symbol stands for. So, the map maker will use different symbols for representing rivers, cities, railways, roadways, lakes, boundaries. So, these you have to know the meaning of these symbols. All the map maker will give key for understand these symbols. So जो मैप मेकर्स हमारा होता है, जो हमारा कार्टोग्राफर होता है, वो सिंबल्स का यूज करता है रेलवेज की लाइन को शो करने के लिए, रिवर्स कहाँ पे उनको बताने के लिए, लेक्स को, बाउंड्रीज को, रोडवेज को, सिटीज को बताने के लिए. सो वो इनके लिए की जरूर देता है. जैसे दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट सिंबल्स यूज्ड फॉर मैप. इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्रीज, इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्री किस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट की है? एक लाइन डॉट, फिर लाइन, फिर डॉट, लाइन डॉट. So this is the representations and symbols of the international boundary. Now what is the symbols for the state boundaries? Dash, 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 dash. This is the symbols for the state boundaries. What is the symbols for district boundaries? Here is the small dash as comparison to state boundaries. So this by this way the map maker will use symbols for representations. Now what is the next topic is color scheme. So what is the color scheme? Some maps are shaded with different color. We can show and draw a variety of information with the help of color. Now the color scheme will also used in the maps for shaded portion that have a different color. Like water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes and river are always shown in blue colors. So जो हमारी water bodies है उसको हम maps के अंदर किस color से show करते हैं? Blue color से. So when we see blue color in our maps, then we have to understand that part water will be exist on the surface of the earth and other things. So this is the color scheme of the map. Light blue is used for shallow water and dark blue show the deep water. When we see light blue, that will show shallow water, and when we see dark blue, that will show deep water. मतलब अगर हमारा पानी ज्यादा गहराई तक है तो हम उसको किस में शो करेंगे? डार्क ब्लू से. On the maps, green color shown plain areas. The green color जो हमारा ग्रीन कलर है वो किसको शो करेगा? प्लेन एरियाज को. एंड एज द हाइट ऑफ द लैंड अबव सी लेवल इंक्रीज, इट इज शोन बाय येलो, लाइट ब्राउन एंड dark brown color. When the height of the land above the sea level will be increases, then we will change the color, that will be yellow, light brown, dark brown, according to the height of the lands. So we will use these colors for showing the lands. A key or legend is always made on a map to tell the meaning of the color used on the map. So a key or a legend is always used, that we will tell about what is the meaning of the color, what is the meaning of the color that we will use in the map. Almost same color scheme is used on the all maps. Now all the cartographer will be used same scheme for all types of the maps. When we have show water at the different maps, then we will always use blue color for showing waters. A legend or index is given in every map which explain the meaning of the color used on a map. So an index will be given on a map, that this is a map, and on at the corner index will be always given, that will represent the different colors schemes. So इसके अंदर जो ये हमारा इंडेक्स है, ये बताएगा कि जो जो कलर हमने यूज करे हैं वो किस किस चीज को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द कलर स्कीम दैट वी विल यूज इन ए मैप्स. Now the next one is, so here it is the end of our lecture. So today we will discuss about the signs or symbols of the map and the color scheme. These are the table that will show the important symbols used in a map. You have to learn all about these symbols, because these are always used in all and every map as a same. So you have to write these tables, you have to learn these table, and you have to write these signs and symbol about and color scheme, and also learn about it. So it is the end of your lecture. Thank you.